and welcome back to the Rocket Factory, which is my room. And I am Tree from Tractus Aerospace, and I would just like to do an update video of the rapid progress we've been having here in Tractus Aerospace. And before we start with the update, I would like to say that the secret project that I've been mentioning for a couple of videos will be apparently cancelled because nothing worked out. And that secret project was in fact an airplane because of course we rebranded to aerospace, right? So it means we will also be dealing with airplanes and not just rockets. So after realizing it wouldn't work out, we just canceled the project. And so we're going back to the drawing board, and so we are continuing the lineup of thrust vehicles. And so we would like to do, or like you to introduce to a new member to our fleet of rockets, Thrust Mark III. And such a starship from SpaceX, we are naming our vehicles like this because it is more simpler to be just saying Mark instead of a brand new name, and it's the same vehicle anyway. Unlike Mark II, which just uses an isopropyl engine, Mark III is a multi-purpose test bed. So it can be used to test thrust technology, experiment technology, such as isopropyl engine, or as you can see, there are attachment points here for a parachute shock cord, so we can test landing technologies on this also. Now expect a parachute test this upcoming week, and maybe a powered flight next year, also Thrust Mark II. And also expect a small static fire of the isopropyl engine of Mark II. I'm going to be doing that once I get to school. Yes, I'm still a studying student. And yeah, a small update on Firefly Block 2. Firefly Block 2, maybe we're going to be able to do a test this month, this week perhaps. I am not sure. Something went wrong with the 3D printer and wasn't able to print the complete ones, but I do have the brackets or the strut, but not the main leg itself. If I'm able to successfully do that, maybe good looking legs, but if you guys would want, I can just make my own makeshift legs and get test out as early as possible, and maybe better legs next year. And so yes, so that's pretty much it for the updates of Tractus Aerospace and Thrust lineup of vehicles. I would just like to say a huge thank you to KNet Rocket Technologies for giving me the 3D printing files and the inspiration, and also to Joe Barnard from BPS Space because my vehicle is inspired from Sprite, and also SpaceX because the name inspired. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the update. I'll see you guys in the next video, and stay frosty.